Yeah, the recipe for today are some tin mackerel seasoned rice. I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients where me use in my tin mackerel seasoned rice. Remember, like and share. First on the list, we have some coconut juice. We have pumpkin, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, hot pepper, onion, garlic, tomato. See tin mackerel in there, and we have sweet corn. We have a Maggi season. This flavor is nice. A little snoops, a saltfish. We have some butter. We have some ginger and pimento seed, and see the rice here. Alongside we have some cashew juice. So remember, tin mackerel, seasoned rice. So these are all my ingredients. So you don't know about throw up tin mackerel first. You also must spice my thing, man. Remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So I'm going to add some cooking oil to my pot, right? Let's watch and see. Recipe I got nice and delicious. I'm going to put up some onion now. Remove all trash off the onion. Remember. I'm going to have some tomato, onion, garlic, sweet pepper, hot pepper. So I'm going to add to my oil, right? Remember, tin mackerel seasoned rice now. Adding tin mackerel now. Remember, tin mackerel seasoned rice now. This is a recipe I got nice one. Delicious. American cooking with lumberjack, like and share. Remember, tin mackerel seasoned rice. It's like one fry for 7 minutes. Coconut milk. Remember, tin mackerel seasoned rice now. Coconut milk. See pumpkin, saltfish, pepper and butter. Pimento seed. You can see pimento seed, ginger and thyme. You have a Maggi season, flavor the rice. See the sweet corn here. So we're going to make that boil about 8 minutes, right? Remember, tin mackerel, seasoned rice. So see tin mackerel there? Yeah, man. The recipe I got nice and delicious, man. You hear my peeps, you can see. Show you a preview. Yeah, man. Remember, tin mackerel, seasoned rice, man. Yeah, man. It's like coconut milk. It's a boil long, you know. Right down. Custard I carry down too. Yeah, man. If you go and boil long. Remember, 8 minutes I get it. Go and boil right down to custard. Tin mackerel seasoned rice, eatable. You see, I tin mackerel seasoned rice, and I add it in mackerel to it now. Yeah, recipe I got delicious, man. Remember, tin mackerel seasoned rice. Like and share. So I'm going to add some scallion to it, right? Oh, peep, sorry, we never shown up put the rice nice as it. Sorry about that, my mistake, yeah? Remember, tin mackerel, seasoned rice. The recipe I got nice, man. Yeah, man. Eatable. Yeah, my peeps, update on the tin mackerel, seasoned rice, you know? Yeah, man. Delicious. Yo, may I tell you, Jamaican cookie. Yo, John no star. Tin mackerel, seasoned rice. Eatable. Delicious. Remember, for like and share, you know? No joke. Remember, lumberjack represent. You hear that? 7 times rise, 7 times fall. I don't believe in the falling thing. Bigger for that person, everything. Yeah, man. Tin mackerel season, right? Yeah, my peeps update for the tin mackerel season rice, you know? Yeah, man, you have to stir it up, you know, because we don't want it burn. Like I said, so I want to stir it up, cook right out, and steam right out. If you don't stir it, it's going to burn, and we don't want it burn. The recipe I got delicious, man. Remember, tin mackerel season rice. Eatable. Finger licking. Tasteable, you know? Delicious. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know? Like and share. Update on the tin mackerel season rice. Yeah man, that good preview, you know? The piece will look like I'm going to stir it up now. Right? And but tin mackerel season rice now. Yeah man, the recipe I go eatable man. I turn mouth around water and not finish it. You know star. Tin mackerel season rice is nice, right? I'm hungry, me I tell you star. Be a water mouth around. Yeah man. Tin mackerel. See preview? Alright. Finishing product this now. Finishing now, you know. Yeah man, update on it man. See there? It look like there. Tin mackerel season rice. It look like there. You see? Yeah man. Yeah my peeps, see finishing product there. Yeah man, this is a tin mackerel season rice and nice man. Dinner time, you know. Like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Tin mackerel season rice. Eatable. Yeah, my peeps, a preview again there. Update on the tin mackerel season rice. Yeah, man. Can see? Yeah. Well spiced and nice. Delicious. Right now, I'm out around water. I'm hungry till my weight. Me I tell you for this. Yo, this is a tin mackerel season rice. I'm going to, yo, me I tell you, star. Delicious. Eatable.